Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be vlogging, and I know I don't do a lot of vlogs here on my channel. I just feel like it's a better way to kind of get to know somebody when you are vlogging. I don't know how to vlog, guys. I don't know how to do it. Somebody help me. Today's vlog is going to be pretty much based on back to school. We have some back to school shopping to do. I want to do some fun things that we haven't done with the kids this summer before the school year starts. And I want to reorganize that back closet, because the back closet is where we keep our shoes, because we don't wear shoes in our house. So as we go in and out the back door to take our shoes off, and shoes kind of are thrown in that closet, that's where we keep our coats, sweaters, scarves, hats, backpacks, things like that go in that closet. That's what we're gonna do. So everything is surrounding school, back to school, just kind of getting reorganized and prepared for the school year. Everything didn't happen in a day. So I hope you guys like it. Let's go. Hey guys, so we're going to be going to Target and probably some other places to look for some more back to school clothes for the kids. We already got all of their school supplies and stuff, so let's go.
And lemonade.
We're getting lunch.
Lemonade and fries.
Oh, I got these big old earrings on.
Fries and chicken.
Who am I?
Well, mommy.
We got lunch. Why, hello there. We're back. We're back again for clothes. Is it bad that I want this? I don't even care what it looks like. Why? Don't get in there.
This is hip. A punch him. Like, punch.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one. Look at that one. My God.
Why are Legos so
Expensive.
they're not that cool?
I'm one with a Minecraft.
You're stuck. Can't touch. Okay guys, so I'm back at home and I want to show you guys Braden's backpack from last year. This is from Pottery Barn and it held up really nice. So if you guys are thinking about getting a Pottery Barn backpack, I would definitely recommend it. I'm gonna keep it. That's why it's still in here. It is like real dirty, so I need to clean it, but yes, girl, get that backpack. And I'm gonna show you guys the clothes that I got for Braden back to school. I'll start with this one because it's for my 4-year-old. These are some really cute straight leg pants. These were $8.38 and they have that drawstring waist. And I got this for like $4. It was on clearance. I think those are the only 2 things that I got today for him, but it was mainly my 6-year-old. We pass a lot of our clothes down to my 4-year-old, so he has a bunch of clothes. Top, this was $1.80. This button up right here is really cute, super soft. It has that like high-low kind of thing. This striped shirt, this random shirt, like I don't understand this. What's going on here? Here's another shirt I got for him. Skinny jeans, really nice, super soft. And this was the last pair of pants I got him, just some darker skinny jeans. And then, I don't know why this is over here. They have like a golf section in Target for boys, which is so cute. Like little reflective, dry fit type shorts. And this is, I mean, he's gonna wear this to school, but he can also go golfing in this, which is bougie. I didn't get anything special for myself. I got these high-waisted leggings. Work in the school system, so I just have to have a bunch of boring clothes. These are one of my favorite types of cotton rounds, and you gotta get the premium because these are larger and they're just super soft. I also picked up the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. This is the only drugstore brow product for my brows. I usually gravitate towards Benefit and Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this is a great dupe for those. I love this thing, and I get the dark brunette color. Moisturizing curl cream. Got the argan oil leave-in conditioning cream. I actually have been liking the Cantu line. You guys, this is for like $5.99 each. What is this?
It's like an RV game on Roblox.
Ooh, your bandana starting to look like a little headband. It's like 3 or 4 in the afternoon and I'm about to get this coffee because I need it. I need it. Ooh, girl, look at that empty dishwasher. What we trying to do? Let's make some dishes. You guys, I seriously want to reorganize my coffee cabinet because this is what it looks like. I love a good coffee mug. This one I got from Disney World. It's so cute. So this is what we usually get. We love hazelnut, but it's got so many bad ingredients in it. Real cream, real milk, real sugar. Y'all, that one that I showed y'all in there, the International Delight, not made with real milk and all of that. So I get the sweet and creamy one by Left Field. It just tastes so good. So if you guys want to try like a different creamer that's sweet already, try this one. It's really good. Let's pour it in. And that's it. You don't really need sugar. I don't put sugar in here. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna sit here and edit for a little while. I'm gonna organize his work that I saved from there, like artwork and just a lot of cute things that he brought home. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize that in a second. Because I'm switching over from my Madewell tote to something smaller today. If you guys want a school bag, a teacher bag, a mom tote, a work tote, it's all leather. The whole inside is like that raw leather. I don't really baby my bags, so this thing is so durable and it gets super soft and kind of wrinkly. And I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Some days I carry more, some days I carry way less. So I have a change of clothes, what I carry all of my cards in. I have this, which is wide open, so that means things are at the bottom of my bag. I carry this in every single bag. Necessities, I guess. I got this thing right here, which came in my stocking years ago, and it has like nail file, scissors, a mirror, hand sanitizing wipes that I steal from Chick-fil-A, empty Starbucks card, almond milk hand cream by L'Occitane. Everything else fell out at the bottom of this bag, so I'll show you guys in a second. This is the hand, nail, and cuticle hand cream that I got from Bath & Body Works. I'm trying to, you know, live my best life, take better care of my nails. My favorite lip product right now, this is the Lip Glow by Christian Dior, and the color is raspberry. It looks like that. I love it. It's real moisturizing. I would buy it again. Hand sanitizer, some chapstick, Vaseline lip therapy, this which I hold my keys in, and I only have 2 keys. But it's big enough for 6 keys. I don't have 6 keys. Receipt for what we're gonna be taking back today, a hair tie. Alright, so onto the tragic closet that we talked about earlier. I think I found a solution. I found this shoe rack thing from Home Goods. Hopefully it fits in the closet. I'm gonna quickly put it together. The best thing about it, it says no tools required. So hopefully everything will be pretty easy.
You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone.
Alright guys, so here's the inside of the closet. I didn't do much to this little pocket thing on the door. It works for us, especially having it by the back door where you could just put all of your like last minute things that you might need. It does change slightly depending on the season, what things we might need in there. Umbrellas, sunscreen because it's summertime still. We have shades, extra set of keys, hand wipes, things like that. And then from here down we have my little one's shoes, some of his shoes because they still fit in this thing right here. And then here is the inside of the closet. I feel like it looks so much better because y'all seen that mess before. First grader's backpack, I'll show you guys that up close in a second. Those are from Home Goods for $4.99 for that pack. Then these are from Target, and I got those to hold scarves, gloves, hats, accessories like that. One is for me and my husband, the other one is for the boys. So how cute are these shoes? Target for my 3-year-old, and I just think they are adorable. Oh, look how cute. At Cat and Jack line at Target, so adorable. Shoe thing, I got it from Home Goods for $14.99, and these are actually stackable, so you can get another set and make it taller, but I've seen the exact same ones on Amazon, so I will link that down below. Son's backpack, let me take it out for you guys. We ordered it from LL Bean. Son actually picked this one out. Oh, look at my sweet boy. Whoa, I gotta talk to them. Watch out. Okay, I'm going to organize my 6-year-old's old kindergarten work from last year, and I'm gonna try to go through it and pick and choose what I want to keep. Here's where I put all of Braden's artwork and schoolwork that I want to keep throughout the year, and I just literally throw it in this box right here. And then during the summer, sometime like right now before school, I organize it into this bin. Have it somewhat sorted out. I'm going to figure out a way to hang these up in the boys' room. Here's the pile of stuff that I am gonna keep. I'm gonna get rid of that stuff right there. So I put the file folders in there, and I'm going to attempt to put the artwork in here without it taking up this whole thing. So I definitely got everything in the first folder. You can see I just kind of stapled his kindergarten picture from one of his first couple weeks of school. I'm gonna tape this up here like that. But the second folder, I have just like all of his school pictures and report cards and stuff. The little side handles work better and they'll probably last longer. So now that this is empty, I'm gonna keep this for first grade, which is gonna start in a few more weeks. I'm gonna do the same routine. I'm just going to, as he brings things in from first grade, I'm just gonna throw it in here. And so I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.